Today, we're talking about survival. If you want to sharpen your thinking and remain relevant, you need to upgrade your mindset. Most people think failure comes from not trying hard enough. They are wrong. But here's the thing. As of today, failure comes from something far more dangerous, not learning. That's not rhetoric. That's the reality right now. Failure belongs to those who stop to learn. And this isn't about a provocative statement that makes you slightly uncomfortable. It's about your survival. Right now, the people falling behind aren't lazy or incapable. They are intelligent, hardworking, but trapped in yesterday's thinking, while the world has already moved on. And the world will not slow down to wait for them. Here's the uncomfortable truth most people avoid. Success no longer belongs to the most talented. It belongs to the most adaptable. You see, mindsets expire. Skills become obsolete. And the moment you stop learning, you will be replaced. Not someday, but now. The winners in this era understand one brutal rule. Learning a new skill is no longer optional. It's the cost of staying relevant. It's survival. That's why the smartest investment we can make today isn't pertaining to money. It's upgrading how you think. Because while many people sit back waiting for perfect timing or clear signs, high achievers move before the lights turn green. They take small and perfect steps. They learn while moving. And something powerful happens when they do. Momentum builds. And momentum creates confidence. Confidence fuels action. And action changes outcomes. This is the real divide between winners and losers. Never luck, never opportunity. It comes down to mindset, skills, and action. It always has been and always will be. But here is where most people misunderstand growth. They think upgrading their mindset is just about consuming information, books, videos, podcasts. And why that matters, it's only the surface. The real leverage comes from two deeper forces. First, your mind needs constant recharging. Just like a battery, it drains when you stop feeding the quality input. Second, and this is the part most people miss, the people you surround yourself with quietly shape your standards, your thinking, and your results. Information sharpens you, but the right associations elevate you. When you place yourself among people who think bigger, act smarter, and demand more from life, growth becomes unavoidable. I have written 3 books and helped build 2 stadiums, and after everything I've learned, one principle stands above others. It's the foundation behind every breakthrough I've had, and it's this. Visualization is the way to get things done, and that's the starting point. If you can train yourself to do this on impulse, you survive. Those who succeed stimulate their minds to think more creatively. They nurture ideas instead of ignoring them. They see opportunities before others see, and that ability, more than talent or luck, is what keeps them ahead. That's why I wrote When the Mind Awakens. It breaks down 5 essential but often overlooked traits required to dominate in any vocation. No theory, no hype, just the mental shifts that separate those who fade from those who rise. The link is below in the description, or you can visit obinaombere.com to learn more. But whether you read the book or not, remember this. Stop waiting, start learning, keep evolving, because in this world right now, there are only 2 choices left. Upgrade your mindset or get replaced by someone who did. Peace.